Chapter 38. Vocabulary Development. Teaching children age-appropriate lessons is one of the most important things. It makes it easier to encourage them because getting the wrong answer all of the time can have them feeling like they just are not good enough. That is just one of the reasons why grade-appropriate words and phrases are so important. Age-appropriate words and phrases. Here we look at age-appropriate words and phrases for your vocabulary improvement. Words: abate, become less in amount or intensity; abrupt, exceedingly sudden and unexpected; accelerate, move faster; acclaim, enthusiastic approval; aspire, have an ambitious plan; bewilder, cause to be confused emotionally; braggart, a very boastful and talkative person; brawl, to quarrel noisily, angrily or disruptively; candid, openly straightforward and direct without secretiveness; casualty, someone injured or killed in an accident; catastrophe, a sudden violent change in the earth's surface; conquer, happen simultaneously; consult, seek information from; corrupt, dishonest or immoral; deceased, someone who is no longer alive; despondent, without or almost without hope; dismantle, take off or remove; feud, a bitter quarrel between two parties; homicide, the killing of a human being by another human being; illiterate, not able to read or write; infamous, known widely and usually unfavorably; maul, injure badly; mortify, cause to feel shame; orthodox, adhering to what is commonly accepted; trivial, small and of little importance; yearn, desire strongly or persistently. Phrases: bring up, to mention something; bring on, to cause something to happen; call off, to cancel something; come up, to think of an idea; come in, to enter; come across, to meet or find by chance; come forward, to offer to give help or information; cut in, to interrupt someone when they are speaking; drop off, to leave someone at their destination; fall apart, to break into pieces; fall down, to drop to the ground; fill up, to become completely full; get away, to escape; get along, to have a friendly relationship with someone; get up, to stand up. Domain-specific vocabulary. Areas of knowledge are called domains. Every domain has its own set of words. For example, the words krill and phytoplankton are important to the subject of the ocean ecosystem. When you come across domain-specific words, look for clues to the meaning. The words like tiny and shrimp-like are clues for krill. Vocabulary related to some important domains. Weather vocabulary. Avalanche, a dangerous slide of snow down a mountain. Blizzard, a storm with a lot of snow and wind. Drizzling, raining slightly. Drought, a long period with no rainfall. Flood, overflow of rainwater. Flurry, a sudden light fall of snow blown in different directions by the wind. Humidity, moisture in the air. Hurricane, a tropical storm with very strong wind and rain. Smog, a kind of air pollution originally named for the mixture of smoke and fog in the air. Tornado, violently spinning windstorm cyclone. Environment vocabulary. Conservation, the protection and preservation of natural environment. contaminated, carrying harmful bacteria or toxins that can cause disease, endangered, animals or plants in danger of becoming extinct, environmentalist, a person who protects environment, extinct, no longer existing, computer vocabulary, antivirus, a program that finds and removes viruses, application, a self-contained program or pieces of software, bug, a defect or fault in a program, cache, a kind of memory used to make a computer work faster, graphics card, the equipment inside a computer that creates the image on the screen, law vocabulary, attorney, a person appointed to act for another in business or legal matters, barrister, a lawyer who pleads before a superior court, evidence, information presented to a court to prove or support a point in question, guilty, responsible for a specified wrongdoing, judge, official with authority to hear and decide cases in a court of law, jury, a group of people chosen to hear the evidence of a case and give a decision.